We got the 2017 Ram. We're going to be changing out this rack and pinion electric rack right there. So I'm going to start off by getting loose these tie rods. So we're going to have to take these off and reuse them. Then turn those to the right. Crescent wrench. Alright. Alright, I get it all right. See, it's already loose. Alright, slide underneath the whip. And with this connector here, we're going to take off. I mean, this job is so. There you go. Come up in here, use an extension, and get that out with a 12mm, and then we got this bolt and this bolt. See, it's gonna go all the way through and screws into the right. 12, 13. Alright. Probably been easy to put a gun here. Oh, this thing's tight. There it is. Alright. Now you see, this thing's already off. Ouch. So if you forgot to, it's okay, just go ahead and disconnect it. Just go. There it goes. Crack it loose. Count the rotations of it. It's 1, 2. I'm gonna mark 27 on here with my paint marker so I don't forget, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so I don't know if you'll see how I got this out. All I did was, they're releasing it from the shaft. I moved it over to the driver's side as much as I could until this could clear out from the bottom. Got this new one right here, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this thing up in here. So my camera died, but let me just show y'all. So you're gonna have one tie rod resting on one control arm, and your other tie rod gonna rest on that control arm. Be sitting on there just like this. And the only thing you're gonna have to do is just raise up the rack, line up these holes there, and then you're gonna stick your long bolts through, and then reverse the process. Those are direct plug-in plays. There's nothing special that you need to get the. Those are direct plug-in plays. There's nothing special that you need after installing the rack and pinion. Just put the battery back at the very least. Clear the codes if there is any codes, and it'll be working like a freaking top. Appreciate y'all for watching. I know this helped somebody. Like and subscribe to the channel. Share it to your friends, and keep tuning in for more videos just like this and better.